Welcome to our channel, Arabian Wisdom. I am Omar. Today I will talk to you about one of the most important Arabic proverbs. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The proverb, "One hand cannot clap," reflects a profound concept. Individual efforts alone, no matter how substantial, are often insufficient for achieving success in most matters. This wisdom highlights the importance of teamwork and collaboration among people to achieve shared goals. This cooperation can be necessary in various aspects of life, from family to work, society, and even friendships and social relationships. This saying also indicates the limitations of individual efforts in the face of great challenges and the need for integration with others, where each person brings their strengths and supports others in areas where they may lack. Clapping with one hand is impossible, but with another hand, it becomes feasible, symbolizing the idea of unity and synergy. Applying the wisdom in real-life situations. 1. In the workplace and business. Teamwork. When working on a large project or a complex task, collaboration becomes essential. For instance, in developing a new software application, a designer alone cannot complete the project, nor can a programmer achieve a full outcome on their own, and so on. Only when everyone, designer, developer, project manager, tester, works together as a team can the application reach its users effectively. Role distribution. Assigning tasks based on expertise ensures that work is completed at a high level of quality, with each team member focusing solely on their role, which increases efficiency and reduces wasted time. Through collective efforts, large goals that cannot be accomplished by a single person are achieved. In family relationships and marriage. Understanding and partnership. Married life requires equal cooperation between partners. One person alone should not bear all responsibilities. If one partner tries to handle everything on their own, financially, emotionally, or even in raising children, they are likely to feel stressed, and the relationship may become strained. Child rearing. For example, in raising children, parents need to collaborate. Children need emotional support, which cannot be provided by only one person. The mother plays an essential role in building character, while the father contributes with discipline and love that cannot be replaced. Without a balance between roles, the child does not grow up in a well-rounded environment. 3. In society and humanitarian initiatives. Charitable and collective efforts. Let's say you want to organize a blood donation campaign or help needy families. If one person does this work, it will be limited by their individual capacity and may not reach many people. However, if several people or organizations join the initiative, the ability to reach larger numbers and provide better assistance is multiplied. Idea exchange. In community initiatives, collaboration is not only in the effort spent but also in ideas and planning. A single person may think in one way, but a group of people brings different and diverse ideas, which increases the effectiveness of the work and broadens its impact. In sports and team games. Example of soccer. In team sports, like soccer, it's clear how one hand is insufficient. A star player cannot achieve victory alone. They need the support and passes from their teammates, even if they are the ones scoring. Each pass and every defensive or offensive effort from the players is part of the team's strategy, illustrating how cooperation leads to victory. Player cohesion. Teams need cohesion and understanding among players, who need to train together and know each other's strengths, using them to achieve victory. Sports serve as a real-life example of this wisdom. The importance of this wisdom in our daily lives. By understanding the meaning of "one hand cannot clap," we realize that life is inherently full of challenges and goals that we may not be able to accomplish alone. This wisdom teaches us that we need others and that we are also essential in others' lives. We contribute something and gain something in return, and this mutual support is the key to success. The real challenge in applying this wisdom is effective communication and understanding. Problems often arise when some believe they can succeed on their own or fail to appreciate the efforts of others. Therefore, effective communication and understanding are essential to achieving success together. Humility and acknowledging others' efforts. Recognizing that everyone has a role and that we need others is a step toward building a stronger, more cohesive community. Conclusion. The proverb, "One hand cannot clap," emphasizes that cooperation and partnership are necessary in various aspects of life. When we collaborate, we enhance our strength and ability to succeed, and by understanding that everyone plays a role in our success, we become a more resilient society capable of facing challenges.